So just got to Fultons Track here, we'll check it out. Looks like a nice decent drop off there. Nice and dry though. Just follow the tyre marks, I reckon. Looks like the right line. Put that rear diff lock in. Chuck it in first and see how we go. Here comes Haiti.
We're not going down there, are we?
We are.
Hey.
What do you reckon? So Steve in his GU coming down first. I don't think this shows how steep it really is. It's going to be a killer walking up. Alright, just chuck it in first. Low range, let the engine brakes do the work for you. You still want that foot on the brake though a little bit. One Speck Track, another river crossing, nice rocky ground cover here. Don't need, this is stock clearance at the moment, there's no lift on this and it's fine. I can hear a bit of scrubbing from the tyres. It makes me think I've got something under it, but it's a scrubbing as it's we've let them down. Got to go up the hill now, see how we go. just got to Junction Hut. Usually when we get here, it's usually a bit busy. Some people down on the river down there. Yeah, come here a few times, but it's always cruise inside camping, so we haven't gone inside, so we'll have a look.
Pretty good cut. Pretty well made, not like spiders or anything.
It's always a mint spot down there.
Great spot down there, isn't it?
It's one of the most popular.
Yeah. Just see that track going down there. It's just straight down.
Yeah, it's just pretty sweet.
Four drive action boys have been in here.
I'm gonna find the light, which is making me shine. It's my
Top of that. So she's all done. Great day up at Aberfeldy. Went down Fultons, up One Speck, back down to Merringtons Track. A couple nice river crossings. Now it's time to put these tyres back up and hit the tarmac until another time. Catch you later.